Uber driver accidents in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. I work with my partner, Roshan Jain. We represent victims of motor vehicle accidents and other types of injuries, including legal malpractice here in Massachusetts. And I've been doing so since 1985. And I've been asked today to talk about Uber accidents and how that works. We've represented many people, unfortunately, who've been injured in Uber accidents, Lyft accidents, rideshare type accidents, and before that, many people who are injured in taxi accidents. The good news is that Uber and Lyft have insurance, and they have good insurance, and they have professional insurance representatives that work on these cases. The bad news is that if you're a victim, you can be a double victim, because on the one hand, you're injured, or your family member's injured, and on the other hand, you have to go through an insurance system, an insurance process. And it's complicated because your insurance, your car, even though you weren't in it, may play a role because of PIP insurance. The insurance for the car that you're in, the driver who owns that vehicle, their insurance is partially responsible from time to time. And then the Uber over insurance coverage or Lyft insurance coverage kicks in frequently as well. And you really need someone who's done this many times before to help you navigate this system. You have enough struggle on your own navigating an injury, navigating getting better, dealing with doctors and dealing with nurses and dealing with physical therapists. And that's a lot, and we understand that. And we can help you, and we have helped many people through this process. The important thing at the outset, at the beginning, is to get as much as you can to help with liability. You may say you were not at fault, therefore you don't have to worry about it. And your first contact with a lawyer or somebody in the legal system may say, don't worry, you weren't driving, you're not responsible. And technically you're not responsible. You didn't cause the accident. You weren't negligent. But who was? Was it the Uber driver? Was it the other driver? Was there a fault in the street as part of the town or city? It's typically a driver, and we need a police report. We need pictures. We need as many pictures from the accident scene, witnesses from the accident scene as possible, because the insurance professionals see things their way. They don't lie or cheat or steal typically, but they see things their way. And any fact they can use to say it's someone else's fault, they will. And they might exaggerate that fact. And if they have pictures to exaggerate that fact, it may adversely affect your claim. So get someone that's experienced, get someone that's dealt with these three insurance companies potentially in all these cases. Your company, the driver's company, and the Lyft company. And on top of that, there's your insurance company, your health insurance company, which has a lien for your medical expenses on the case. It can be very complicated. You need someone to help you navigate the system. We've been there, we've done it. I've done it in this building at 6 Beacon Street since 1987. We care about you. We're aggressive when it comes to these insurance professionals, and we're effective. We get results. Call Burns & Jain. It's a free initial consultation. 617-227-7423. Thank you.